Becoming a profitable trader has never been hard. All you need is just to have a trading plan. And in today's episode, guys, I have a 30-day plan laid out for you on how you can improve your trading and have a little success in the Forex market. So if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video. Let's go. So guys, the first thing, we need to have discipline. For you to be able to execute this 30-day trading plan, guys, you need to have discipline so that you can be able to stick to these 5 steps that I'm going to be explaining to you. So the first step, guys, clean your chart. More often I see beginner traders, they have really dirty charts, guys. You find a trader that has a really dirty chart, indicators, technical analysis, so they have all this, disturbing them. So when you're analyzing your chart, you have you're trying to confirm with your indicators, at the same time you're trying to confirm with your technical analysis, and the chart is all dirty, guys. So you should always try hard and have a clean chart. So guys, if you have a clean chart for 30 days, you're going to have proper analysis, you're going to have a clear picture. I'll give you an example of a clear chart. As you can see, guys, you see this chart? I don't know if you can see it properly. You see, this is a very nice chart that I took yesterday. This was the before and this was the after. As you can see, this is a trade that I took yesterday, USD card. I'll be sharing the screenshot just here, and you see. So this was the chart, as you can see, very clear. This was the before, and then this was the after, guys. As you can see, the after, as you can see, market pumped up. You see? So guys, you don't need to have a dirty chart. That's the first thing you have to clean that's the first thing you have to cleanse into your trading. After 30 days, you're going to be a beast. Just like any person, when you want to improve your life, the first thing you have to do is self-development, like cleaning, hygiene, and everything. So the first thing in Forex, you have to clean your hygiene, but part of cleaning the chart, guys, you shouldn't have like really dirty chart. As you can see, this is a very clear chart. Just have some smart money concept indicator just here laid out. My market is not very complicated, but when you have a dirty chart, guys, you're going to have hard time analyzing the charts because you're going to be looking at everything, indicators, and then you're trying to do price action again, you're mixing it with indicators. No, guys, clean your chart. The second thing, focus on one setup. I've seen traders jumping on from one setup to another, one setup to another, one strategy from another. Guys, stick to one setup. When you stick to one setup, after 30 days, you're going to be a beast, guys. The reason why I'm saying you have to stick to one setup is because you'll have an edge on it. You're only going to be trading in the market whenever you see only that setup. But when you get caught up trading many setups, you may see this setup and this setup is there also on another pair. So you may end up taking trades on both of these pairs, and then one is in profit and one is in loss, and then you contradict these things. So you should always have one setup. And I will tell you, like me, I have also my preferred setup. So my favorite setup is, I always go into the daily time frame. I go and mark out the high and low of the previous candle. So when I zoom into my smaller time frame, let's say 4-hour time frame, let's say 1-hour time frame, I'm always looking at price either breaking the low or the high of the previous day, and then retest, and then continue to go either up or to go down. That's my favorite setup. It's very easy, guys. So whenever I see that setup and it plays out the way I want, I'm always going to take trade because I have confirmations. So guys, only have one setup, and when you can practice this one setup for 30 days, you're going to have a very difference in your trading, guys. You're going to improve because you are sticking to one setup, and that is called discipline. Remember, at the start of this video, I told you to be disciplined. The other thing, lower your risk. Guys, for this next 30 days, I want you to lower your risk. Most of the times, guys, you over risk too much. When you're a beginner trader, you're just risking anyhowly. You don't have a stop loss. So how will you lower your risk? So what I want you to do, whenever you take any trade, first thing you have to make sure, don't risk more than 2% or 1% of your account. That's the first thing you have to do. Then the other thing, whenever you go into a loss, don't hold your loss longer with hopes that it will recover, because in that way you're going to end up blowing your account. So whenever you see a loss and it's huge, it's more than 1% of your account, close it. Don't let your loss to go beyond 1%. And then when you go to profits, always hold your profits longer. Try to have a little patience in the market, guys. Hold your profits longer so that you can be able to make money out of the market. Don't just see $20 and then boom, you're close automatically with very less profits, guys. That's not how you will learn. So for these 30 days, if you do this, holding your profits longer, lowering your risk, not using a big leverage, because remember, a leverage is a double-edged sword, so you don't want to be caught up. use a leverage of 1 to 200 or 1 to 100. That's not a risky leverage. But I've seen beginner traders using 1 to 2,000. What the heck? Guys, that is too big. So the only way you can improve, lower your risk. And for these 30 days, guys, if you follow what I'm telling you, you're going to be a different trader. Your trading is going to improve. So another point, guys, you need to do this. Always review the trades that you take. Review them. So the reason why you need to review your trade, you have to confirm. You have to confirm with sentimental analysis. You have to confirm with fundamental analysis. Even with technical analysis, you can confirm with all this. Review. Do you have a stop loss? Do you have a take profit? Review all these things, guys. Don't just take a trade. Don't use signals. Don't see just because I've sent a signal and you want to take the same trade without reviewing. So this is about you who is watching me. I want you to improve your trading. So review each trade that you take. Make sure you're not it's following whatever law that you have, you as a person, whatever rule that you have. So if you're someone who's risking 1%, make sure your trade is risking 1%. If your 1% is 20 pips, see 20 pips on that trade. Make sure it has a stop loss. And guys, make sure that just review your trade. That's all I can say. Make sure to review your trade. So this is the next thing, guys, you have to do for these next 30 days, guys. I want you to focus on small goals. Focus on small goals, and then by time goes, you increase them gradually. So the reason for this is because whenever you have big goals, guys, of course we all have big goals, but when we are trading the market, let's focus on like really small goals. Like what I mean is, whenever you're making money, like focus on those small profits. Don't like be happy to make like $200 in just a day and you've never made $200 in a day, because you're going to lose whatever amount you have in your account. But if you can focus on making $20 or $50, and then by the time you go gradually, you can increase now to another figure. By doing that, guys, it's going to help you to stay consistent. Because with your setup, with your trading style, discipline, you're going to stay consistent that way. And again, guys, always make sure to set those small, targets in the market. Don't always go for big, But again, guys, this will help you with consistency, and then this will make you a better trader after 30 days. As I said, this will help you have a little success in the market, and then from there, guys, next month you'll be a beast in the forex market. And lastly, guys, break your limits. Most of the times we are lazy, guys. We are lazy. We are afraid. We have fear, guys. We trade with fear. One of the things I want to tell you guys, let loose. Let loose. You have to trade, guys. The only way you're going to make money is by executing. That's where you're going to make money from. So break your limits. Let yourself make mistakes, because you can't make money without making mistakes, obviously. So let yourself make mistakes so that you can know where you did wrong, guys. Don't try to be a perfect trader. There's nothing like being perfect in trading. There's nothing like being perfect. There's no one who's 100% perfect in this market, unless God. So guys, let loose. Break your limits. Don't go for it. Don't be caught up by the lifestyle. And lastly, guys, what I would recommend, guys, use your weekends wisely. Whenever we go, whenever I have weekends, most of the people, you tend to take the free time that they have as time to celebrate. What are you celebrating, guys? Always use this time to learn a new skill that is going to help you. It may not be forex, but a skill that is going to add up to you. But don't celebrate, and then when it reaches Sunday, you're all tired. Monday, you don't want to wake up and go to your job. So guys, I hope this helps you improve your trading in these 30 days. God bless you, good luck, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe. Peace.